Hello friends, today I will unbox this Kavo straight handpiece. This is the handpiece especially used for the surgical extractions for the impaction surgeries. This handpiece is called the Kavo Pacaretta 500. So let's see what's inside the box. So I opened the box and first of all I found the two instruction manuals. This is the yellow color instruction manual, which is especially meant for the lubrication of the handpiece, that how to take care of your handpiece for its longevity. And the second instruction manual is all about what is inside the box and how to use this handpiece and its accessories. Coming to the handpiece, this is the main handpiece. I will show you much closer. This is here written Kavo 500 Pacaretta. The main body of the handpiece looks made of a very good and a durable material. This is the place for the burr insertion, and on the opposite side where the handpiece is inserted into the micromotor, not the usual micromotor, only the Kavo specific micromotor. The two metal tubings here, I will show you later use of them. This is the rotatable ring at the center of the handpiece for opening and closing the burr. This handpiece is also autoclavable, so this is all about the handpiece. So before using this handpiece, let's see the accessories provided with this handpiece. The handpiece is supplied with this rubber tubing. This is the rubber tubing that needs to be inserted into the handpiece to carry the water from one end to the another end of the handpiece. The second thing is this needle for the cleaning of the handpiece to remove the debris out of the handpiece. The third thing is this copy burr to use the correct burr size in the handpiece. So let's assemble the accessories to the handpiece and see how this handpiece works. The first, I am inserting the rubber tubing to the two metal tubings at the two ends of the handpiece. Now I am inserting the burr by rotating the center ring. Here I am inserting the burr and I close the ring again. Now the burr will not remove out from the handpiece. This is all about to assemble the entire handpiece. And to run this handpiece you need a Kavo Micromotor 500. That's very important. You cannot use the local micromotor to run this handpiece. Here I insert this straight handpiece to the micromotor and show you how smoothly it works. This is how the straight handpiece is working. You can see the tubing of the handpiece delivers the irrigation right at the surgical site, right on the cutting edge of the burr. And with this handpiece you don't need your assistant to hold the bottle of saline and constantly irrigating the surgical site. The handpiece will do all the job itself. This handpiece is surely going to be the good handpiece for your impaction surgeries. One more thing I will show you. This is my old handpiece. This is the Kavo straight handpiece I am using for the surgical procedures, and this handpiece is from the Western Germany. This handpiece is around 16 years old and is working flawlessly till now. I don't have any issues with this handpiece at all. I am showing you this old handpiece only for the reason so that you can understand how durable these Kavo handpieces are. You don't need to change your handpiece after every year. These Kavo handpieces works very long. Hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you.